I got it started. So this tool right here helps keep everything centered. And then I'm going to use this mini little adjustable wrench, and I'm going to twist that insert into that threaded hole. And then I'm going to put another one on top of it. I got to piggyback these. And then, yeah, this is a permanent fix. Okay, I got the helicoil insert installed. I got the thread fixed. Now we can really put the oil cooler on. Okay, again, we're torquing the bolts to Chrysler specification. Cool. We have successfully repaired those damaged threads and installed a new oil cooler, and this is a permanent fix. We do this, sometimes we have to do this, so we got to know how to fix what's broken when it's not supposed to be broken. That's what makes an automotive technician.